I'm GFWilliams and welcome back to another vlog. Today we're going to buy some car parts, quite big ones, which is why I've got this van. It's quite a long drive, 2.5 hours each way, and hopefully everything fits in the van okay. So the task was to collect a front clam, and for those of you that don't know, a clam is effectively the front half of the body of the car. When I got there it was just lying on someone's driveway. I packaged it up quickly and off we went back home. So with hindsight, probably didn't need a van quite this big. Might have overdone it slightly on that. But the clam has made it home safe. So I'm going to unload it and hopefully it fits in the garage. It's a slight concern, but we'll give it a go. So as you can see, the new clam is now home. Got it next to the old one for reference, and you can see the shape of the grills is different. I'm very interested to see if there's a weight difference between the two. Once I get my old one off, I will weigh both of them to see how they compare. The next video is actually going to be removing the old one. I need to take it off to sell it, so if anyone's interested in it, please let me know. It's in very good condition. I also have a rear clam coming. Okay, into part 2 of this video, because this has just shown up, my new rear clam. And if you don't know immediately, you can see there and there that this is the facelift rear end. So it's got bigger lights on the outside and then smaller lights on the inside. It also has a whole new shape. So yeah, let's show you around. This clam is off a accident damaged car, hence the broken bit there, which got ripped out. And if I'm honest, I'm a little bit disappointed because it's a bit worse condition than was described. So as I come round here, you can see the damage. So I have already been on the phone to Ken, who tells me that it's all repairable. We did a FaceTime call, I showed it to him. He's repaired much worse in the past, and let's be honest, that's why I've chosen him, because he's very good at what he does. So shall we do a full inspection, because we're going to need it. So if we look here, we've got the actual split, which is annoying but fixable. We also have cracking to the top coat of the fiberglass, and there's various scratches the whole way along. Pretty annoying. Again, not the end of the world. What I was concerned about was any missing brackets, and I'm pleased to report that none of them are missing. All but one of the bolt holes are fine. I'm going to take this off soon. Nice little added bonus is new brake light, because my old one actually has a couple of LEDs out, and it's something like £100 and something apart from Lotus. As we come round here, you can see that clearly it's had a bit of a knock on the other side as well, which I wasn't really aware of. It's really not a massive problem. The more annoying thing is this cracking, which I didn't know was going to be there. But again, we can fix all of that, and we will fix all of that. So the plan is now to get this to the body shop a bit sooner, so that we can do lots of bakes, because the longer you give fiberglass time to set before you actually do the paint stages, the less likely it is to deform with heat cycles at a later date. So what I'm going to do now is tilt it up, and I want to show you guys inside. So they're not actually very heavy, these clams. So showing you the inside, which is where I'm a little bit more annoyed, if I'm honest, because I didn't really know it was going to be like this. There is damage to inside the boot. It's just, while it's all fixable, it's just annoying. So we've got all of that, and then on the underside, the bolt hole there has pulled out where the rear barge boards were. So again, something else we need to fix. As I'm sure you can tell already, it's going to be a totally different look for the car. In the meantime, this is just going to go to the end of the garage. Hopefully it doesn't get in the way too much. It's quite big, and I'm going to clean it up before it goes inside, just because I like everything to be clean. But I hope you've enjoyed this slightly different video, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.